Hi friends, in this video I will show you that how to remove a background of any image just with one click in Adobe Photoshop. So you can see I have opened the image. If you have not opened, you can use file and then open, or Control plus O keyboard shortcut key you can use to open the image. So once you have opened, you can see the properties panel, and in the properties panel you can see quick actions, remove background. So if you click on remove background, just with one click you can see the background has been removed successfully. So now you can see in the background, you can see it's transparent. So we can set another background, or even we can move this to another image. So this is the easy method you can use to remove the background of any image just with one click in Adobe Photoshop. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.